Oh, you a girl.
Yo, it's only so get out of here.
I've been out here feeling me on a regular, fucking with this dream, preparation. You don't like I'm on that same shit, let me elevate you. Working through that patience, termination. This is how it is, tell me now. You really with it, then I'm feeling I've been out of line. Man, I cannot catch me out my temp, been a lot of high. And if you fucking with me, then you ain't never lie. I know, you gon' be my dog if you ready. But you still fuck with me if I fall. 'Cause I would never do you wrong, no. I would never switch you up, no. But I would never change on you, this is what I see in you. I got big visions for that plan, this is me and you. Never change, too much change. Feeling like you know what's on. I ain't never lied, but I had it wrong. Dreaming big, chase it back. With me, then you with me, we gon' run it back. Mama overworking double shift, she gotta get her grind on. All this overtake she work, man, she missed her time home. But I get it, you got children, you gotta put your mind on it. This the realest shit that's happening, this money's not slow. Let's make it rain on them, just fuck it up, I know you really out here sound. But if you with it, we gon' roll it up for the man homies. Just fuck it up, I know I'm body, it's a hang on it. I know, you gon' be my dog if you ready. But you still fuck with me if I fall. 'Cause I would never do you wrong, no. I would never switch you up, no. But I would never change on you, this is what I see in you. I got big visions for that plan, this is me and you.
Yo, what is up, everybody? Yo, Mike, what's going on, right? Hey, good morning, good evening, good afternoon to everybody. I told you guys I'm gonna be coming through with a new layout, something super simple, straight to the point, nothing too much. Actually, I need to bring over, hold on. I need everybody here to go ahead and drop the fire emoji. Let's go ahead and spam YouTube chat. I need everybody here to go ahead and drop the fire emoji. First, let me turn on the music. All right, let's change this. I need everybody here. Why am I? Hold on. I can't show myself. I'm already showing myself. That makes no sense. I don't know how I'm gonna do this when we get a bunch more people on here, but I didn't really think this part through, y'all, so apologize. Let me rearrange some things real quick. For one, let me rearrange this IG. I need everybody here to keep spamming. That's what I mean by spam. Go crazy. Yo, what is going on? Run
it up.
I need everybody here to go ahead and run it up. Let's go. So, as y'all see, I have a colorful chart. I've been telling you guys I've been trying to use this new indicator, which is not new, but it's new to me, Lux Argo, and we are familiar with Lux Argo, and it's actually a very powerful indicator. For anybody here that's faithfully into price action and market structure, this definitely is something you should check out for sure, because that's what I'm gonna be running moving forth in my chart. So if any of you guys ask me, just letting you know, it is Lux Algo. Okay, that's literally what it is. It's Lux Algo Premium. It's a great indicator though. I've been doing crazy back testing for the past 2 weeks. This weekend I've been doing a lot of back testing, and I've been taking a lot of notes as far as just really the trades I like to take, and how I am taking them with this indicator. So it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. But anywho, there was a trade I actually called out yesterday, like during London opening. Technically, we got to TP1 with oil. We didn't get to TP2. We were literally like 5 pips away from like TP2. So we did get to TP1, which was cool. And that's really pretty much it. Now, that being said, I don't know exactly what I'm going to be focusing on today. I'm just going to pretty much just keep my P's and Q's open to see what we can trade today. Other than that, US30's been doing nothing but sideways trends. So it's not really too much for me to say right now. I will hope. So I love this thing right here. It's like this dashboard. It tells me what's going on in a 4-hour daily, 1 hour and 15 minute, which is cool because I don't have to keep popping into those time frames to figure it out. But I do know we are dropping, right? We basically took out a 1 hour low. As you guys see right here, break of structure, 1 hour low. We took that out, which was this line right here, that I drew out right here, this line right here. So we did take out this low. However, we are in our weekly imbalance, which is right here. So I do want to kind of figure out what we can expect from here. We do have a beautiful 1 hour change of character plus, right? That's what I like to call it. But it's also called, just honestly, guys, market shift. We have where market took out the high before it took the lows out, which is here. So this kind of indicates that we could be going up, which is good. However, we just pull right back down. So I don't know what's really going on with 30 for now, but ideally I will be looking for 30 to actually head up eventually. Other than that, GU, this, I got to throw in the Forex pair in there. I do have GU in here as well. I am actually anticipating on GU to go up, at least on like for a pullback. We kind of already got the pullback. So to be honest with you, this just might be the move to continue to go down. So I got my eyes open to see what's really going on. What you got going on over there, Mike?
I was just about to say something about GU, man. That's my baby right there. I was looking at the same thing. I'm looking at those sales right there at that break of lows. So we, like you said, we getting it right now. So
let me see. I'm gonna share my screen. Let me see if I can share a screen.
Then, what the Euro British Pound too? I'm calling sales on Euro British Pound 1 hour time frame. Nice setup. I think we actually caught this setup last week. So whoever caught this setup last week, we can just pick up where we left off.
Okay. All right, hold on. Let me bring back this Zoom meeting. No, not that one. So I can't do it like that. Okay. Oh, that sucks. This card, what I was doing, just cancel. All right. But yeah, all right. So you're looking on GU to drop, right? And then you said Euro.
Oh, you wait for it to come up some more.
You wait for it to come up some more. Yeah. So like me, I'm actually waiting on it to. Let me see. Yeah, I'm actually waiting on it to come up to my imbalance area, which is actually this red line, guys. So this red box is my I gotta sometimes remind myself because I forget. This red box, yes, this red box is my 1 hour imbalance, and then the white boxes are my 15-minute imbalances. So seeing that my 15-minute imbalance is colliding with my 1 hour imbalance is pretty good and cool. So this is kind of really where I'm looking on price to actually pull to, and then we're going to enter. I'm actually going to be looking for my entry from a 2-minute aspect, just because, you know, I'm looking for some more aggressive entries. Another nice thing why I like this indicator is I feel like we are getting lazy because we got AI just taking over a lot of shit. But I don't have to keep drawing out these areas. I don't have to keep figuring out these imbalance areas. This is actually pretty effing accurate. And another reason why I like this indicator, because it makes everything accurate for me. And I just feel like that's something, as long as I can make something super smooth, we good. Let me change this music.
Not gonna lie, those indicators are pretty cool though. I'm looking at your chart right now. That's pretty cool. The little time frames and whatnot, changing character. I've never seen that before.
Yeah, I think that was cool too. When the way they got it, I think it's really cool. Makes my trading life easier. What'd you say?
That's Lux Algo too?
Yeah, it's Lux Algo Premium. This layout, where is your win and losses? You're some man, trying to sell some mine. You're smart too. It's just a cleaner chart, man. I don't want to have too much going on in the charts. Can I say it's in beta? I guess it's in beta right now. So we testing the waters out just to see what's up. I completely forgot to add the win and losses. Not even gonna lie to you. I'm gonna have to add that in next stream. Use the link down below. You can get a code for it, discount code for it. So as you guys see right now, we're still I wish I could change the character plus to market shift, because I'm gonna keep saying market shift. But we did get a market shift right here, right, which indicates that market could be creating just a minor pullback just to continue to pretty much this level here. This is where I'm looking on a drop. I would say this is a cool trade to scalp, but I'm more interested in a buy than a sell, to be honest. So now we're gonna attempt to get in that. For sure. Look, man, Solo's giving out a lot of gems everywhere, man. YouTube, course, Discord, wherever you at, you get gems. I'm not the type of person to be like, you have to buy this to get access to my gems. You get gems. I got people passing challenges just off my live stream. I got people passing challenges from the Discord. I got people passing challenges from joining the 120 challenge. I got people passing challenges from just asking questions on my courses, all of that stuff. So you just find what best suits you. You know, I know there's a lot of people here that will want to get more info and more details, and you know that's why we offer our boot camps right now. That's one big thing we just started as well. So it's really up to you. Oh, yo, 120. I need you to can you send me that list again with the names? I think you just sent it.
Oh yeah, I got you.
All right. You said you trying to build my account so I can get the EA? For sure. Are you in the right live stream, brother? Or We got about a year of experience. That's dope, though. I want to ask y'all a question. I love asking questions to see where we at. Let me see. Pull up a poll. Which session is your best session? Asian, London, or New York? I put a poll up. I want y'all to answer and let me know. I'm gonna go with New York session. Oh shit, that ain't gonna work. Okay, hold on. Go back. We playing Christmas music, bro. What is going on? You prefer New York session? So far, New York session is actually winning. Come on, y'all. Let's I need everybody here to vote. We literally only got 15 votes right now. I need y'all to go ahead and vote. I'm curious to see. I'm pretty sure everybody's curious to see too once I end the poll. So far, New York is really winning. I would assume London is, but I mean, you know, we always stream during New York session, so it makes sense. Oh yeah, I can hide myself. Can I hide not video participants? Hide self view. What is this? Hide self view. There we go. London is slower trading, huh? Really? No, that's interesting. I think it just depends on what you trade, man. If you focused on like gold during London session, you solid. You know, if you focus on gold during London session, you're definitely solid. But even for gold, man, I'm actually looking on gold to continue to drop. It's been dropping since, we've been dropping since Tuesday. And that was because of this previous range that I talked about numerous of times where I said, yo, guys, we will be dropping and we will be testing some of these Fibonacci levels, which we're doing now. So it's just a matter of time for us to get a pullback. And that pullback can be something light, nothing too crazy. I'm trading oil today. Depends on what the market wants to give me. No lie to you. It's only what the market wants to give me. So you want to what? I can't see this far. What am I trading? What do you recommend I do about that? You gotta really like recreate your plan, man. It just really comes down to a lot of variations, but the main thing is ask yourself, what are you lacking right now? And pretty much just go from there. Honestly. Yo, once on you, did you just say you was getting into the sell for something?
Yeah, I was waiting on GU to come up a little further, but look like it's taking off right now
Yeah.
on that 2 minute. Yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. It's a beauty right there. That thing probably about to take off right now. See if we could break these recent lows.
It's leaving us. It's leaving us.
I play the role. I'm a people pleaser. Who I am got lost in the speaker tweet. Teeter totter tween neo soul prima donna and basic feeder fodder. Seeing sod like it's all
Also, guys, make sure you like the video, man. I need everybody here to go ahead and like the video.
it's all connected. We all some monsters. Snowflake,
Yo, Mike, what's going on, brother?
bro, hobby.
Hey, not much, guys. What's going on with you?
No slam, no
Big
Man,
Mike.
chilling.
game two, baby.
Mr. 120.
PS prisms might be a prison of this sand around me.
Mike, you all set up?
Drown in the reef this week.
I am.
It's all on my nose, but I hate the stench of-
I was actually away for the weekend. I got back last night and I was checking it out. And I kind of like, just as a test, just kind of like let it run without, like with the default stuff. Took a
Mhm.
small loss, but I think on the one, well, actually I only did one trade. Took a small loss on gold, but I think it's because like it was gold during the Asian session. And it Mike kind of recommends that, I believe mainly during the New York session. So, but it was just like okay, let's see what the default does, and I can kind of tweak it from there. So it's all good.
Yeah, I was
Hell
gonna
yeah.
say, I I even had turned it on too last night. Kind of tripped. I kind of tweaked a bit because I took my stop loss out of the trade and then it just ran through it. So, but on my other account, it did good. Like it was just taking them. So we're up right now. On the other one, we're not, but you know that was on me though. But we're up right now. On
Hey, that's
my
what I was
other
gonna say
account.
too, Mike. Y'all, you know, in the video I was saying too, like just keep tweaking the. Even I said this to you too, like Solo, like just with the, you know, the only thing is just tweaking that stop loss, you know, because like I was telling you, bro, you put on US30, you know, that top loss is totally different. You just got to give it some
Yeah.
wiggle room. Once you give it wiggle room, you good. I just see that in a lot of cases, people set the stop loss so tight with this software that they'll take them out and then the trader go like you missed out, you know.
Yeah, that is true. That is true.
Yeah,
Jacob, what's
the
going
gold
on?
one. I'm sorry. Go ahead.
No, go ahead. I was answering the chat.
No, the trade that it took on gold, it took a buy, and I was up a little bit, and I said, okay, let's see how this plays out. And it, for whatever reason, I don't know what happened. Gold just tanked. Like it kept going down and down and down, and then eventually it did hit the stop loss. Of course, then this morning, well, I guess when London opened, it started going back up again. But yeah, like I said, I think I just got to figure out, you know, which pairs to trade at what time or what session, and then go from there. So
I really love the British pound pairs. Those are solid.
Man.
Look at that
What?
sale right now. That thing like it's about to take off.
What other pound pair are you talking about?
CAD is nice.
So this
Very
this what the bot
smooth.
did for me. The so far. This is with Osprey though. Funded account.
That's not bad.
It's not bad at all. I actually exited out of
Yeah.
this gold trade because, like I said, these two trades you see up top, I literally turned it on like last night, right when market opened at 5 p.m. our time. I turned it on, and I was like, "Why did I did that?" So I'm just trying to test the waters too, you know. But yeah, it did decent so far. It's doing decent so far. Jacob, you said been twisting with another supply demand strategy coming out pretty nice. That's what's up. Best strategy ever, man. It's trend based strategy.
I guess everybody knows we have news today, right?
Yeah, we could say that. Everybody knew that. Let's see what news we have today. Everybody knew that. Okay, so we have oh shit, yes, Pow speaking today.
There we
Wow.
go.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, PMI's at 9, well 9 central, so I guess that's 10.
Shame on me. This is horrible. I didn't even realize that. I didn't even check the news today. Bank holiday for Cat. What time is it right now? 7. It's about to be 8 o'clock. Okay, yeah, guys. So apparently, yes, we have news at 9 and 10 my time. So I probably won't even be. So later, guys, I got we have NBC News coming to our space today. I think I told you 120. I don't know.
Yes, sir.
Nice.
Yeah. So I know I can't be on the stream that long today. They're supposed to be coming at 11.
Oh, they coming early as hell.
Yes, early as shit.
Was she? Damn. Okay.
Yeah, like so they're gonna be interviewing Bernie Mac's daughter there, and then but on top of that, we possibly supposed to get our own little segment, but we don't know yet. But we supposed to get our own little segment, but we don't know yet. If we don't, it's still cool because we still want to make sure she mentioned, you know, she's gonna be doing a lot of her podcasting at Black Experience Studios, and then yeah, go from there. But yeah, she's supposed to be coming at 10:30, and then the news is supposed to be coming at 11 o'clock. NBC, I think it's NBC, NBS. What is it? NBC, NBS, one of those. Can't remember. I don't watch news. I don't even watch news. I'm being honest with you. Not into the news. It puts fear into people.
That's pretty sick though that the news is using your studio for their stuff.
Yeah, well, really what it is we have we have like this little partnership deal that we created with, I don't know if you know who Bernie Mac is or was.
The comedian?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, you know, he's originally from Chicago, and Bernie Mac has a daughter named Janice, and she's starting a podcast where she's interviewing a bunch of celebrities, comedians, and all that stuff. And she's utilizing our space to do it too. So the girl, one of her managers that's working with her, used to work with Oprah, and she's getting all of these gigs, man. She's going crazy. She's the one that got the news. She's the one that got Lil Rel. She's working on getting Kevin Hart. She has what's his name? Cedric the Entertainer on there. There's like a lot of stuff is going on, but yeah, so it's like she's using that space to do. She's going to start using the space mainly for her live streaming and also doing in person podcasting. The only problem is we're like pretty far from Chicago to certain people, so it's kind of like they don't want to travel that far. So, you know, stuff we're trying to figure out how we're going to operate it. But yeah, bro, it's pretty cool how it works, how it's working so far with us. You know what we got going on with that. So, yo, Jerry, what's going on?
You gotta hook yourself up with a limo company and say, hey, you know, you'll drive people to your studio and somehow promote the limo company or whatever.
Start our own limo company. Like that's funny. Actually has a student that actually owns a he's actually out here too. It's just crazy. Yo, I don't know if he's in here, but he should be in here. If Lance, you in here, say what's up. But he actually owns a party bus company. On top of a lot of other things, but he was talking to me how the business is and how it does and stuff like that. Maybe one day I might consider it. One day, just like a side
I need
hustle.
me a party bus right now. What's up, Lance? I need me a party bus right now.
Hey, we could definitely hook something up. I calculate my risk based off of. I use a calculator to calculate my risk, but I never use what and stop losses. Do you use FX book? I use my FX book. The market is gonna be a little slow until news hit, just to keep y'all aware that is what's going on today. However, GU is dropping, like it's slowly dropping but fast. I guess I'm gonna have to wait for it to take these lows.
Nice setup. It's gone, man. It's
I know that was a clean setup, but it wasn't my setup.
Man, that's nice, bro.
It just dropped. It did sound a little confusing, but I think I got what you were saying. It's all good. 62% of y'all said New York session. Y'all prefer to trade New York session. That's where y'all make most of y'all money. 25% of y'all said London session. And 10% of y'all said Asian session so far. Make sure y'all keep answering. Put your question in the poll because I'm curious to know. But so far we see New York is winning 66% right now. Yeah, there's gonna be a buy coming soon with gold. That's a fucking fact. That's a fact. Like for real. There's definitely a buy coming with gold. I mean, hell, look at this wick. Look at this large wick right here. I look at these wicks as liquidity grabs. But honestly, I'm not even gonna consider a buy until we start really breaking. Oh, we did actually. So right here, we did take out the high. This is a minor high though, internal high. Okay, it's even change of character right there. But this is one right here. I feel like gold, you can buy it, but I feel like if I was to buy it, we might get spiked out. Because once again, guys, we got news coming. Without news, gold is still super volatile during consolidation. So if it was realistically me, I would need it to break out of this minor, this major high right here for me to look for a possible setup. You said there's a liquidity phase on oil. Am I missing something? What time frame we looking at? Technically speaking, there was one here, and I gotta get this out the way. This is blowing me. I do see we have this here. Yeah, we got a lot going on right now with oil. Oil's confusing this shit out of me. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I'm 50-50 with oil right now. I'll not give you two reasons why I'm 50-50. Just eyeing it right now, we could possibly go up and go down first. We are ideally in a possible liquidity phase. However, if you guys pay close attention, anybody here that knows my 3-man standing concept, you guys see that this right here is my range. Look perfectly at Lux Algo is printed out an order block right here, and it says this order block is the volume for this order block is at 8%, which basically means that anything higher than any other order block is a good level that it will actually respect. So you see, guys, you ain't got to use a Fibonacci to figure this out, but of course I still use the fibs because that's just how I am. But this level is also this order block area POI level is at 8%. However, I'm always leaning for the extreme, which is this down here. This is at 25%. So there's a possibility oil could drop to some of these levels down here. However, like I said, this is my 3-man standing concept. Basically what that means is I look for the range, I look for the impulsive trend. Once I find it, I look at the pullback. It's got to pull anywhere from the 45% all the way to the 618. And then I start looking for buy signals to buy into it. However, we have equal highs and equal lows, diagonal equal lows in the bottom. And we have literally equal highs at the top. So we got to figure out which direction we need to break through first before I actually get in the trade. Also, looking at my Lux Algo display box, or what is it? This dashboard box. We have 15-minute break of structure going down, but then on a 1 hour we have a market shift, but then on a 4 hour we have change of character, and then on a daily we have break of structure going up. So that's a 50-50 right there, right? So that being said, like I said, realistically speaking, I need to see either the highs get snagged or the lows get snagged before I actually look for any type of sell for oil. So there's nothing really interesting for me to trade for oil, at least not right now, probably not today, until we take out the high or the low. US30, honestly, to be honest with you, we are in a strong demand level right now. That's all I can really say. I mean, there's really nothing for me to trade right now because once again, we do have news coming at 9 a.m. and then also 10 a.m. I'm more concerned about the 10 a.m. news. PMI is obviously it's big too, but it's gonna get real in the next hour. That's all I gotta say.
You figure every half hour something's going on. We got opening in 25 minutes, and then some news a half hour after that, and more news a half hour after that.
Yeah. Yeah. So you said why Lux Algo? So I wanted to with Lux Algo, my thing is I'm a price action trader, right? I love price action and structure. Like that's really my style of trading, and it's only my style of trading. I love the fact how they can automatically print out a lot of this stuff for me where I don't have to physically worry about going into a different time frame. And I'm usually not the type of trader that will always go to the daily, then a 4 hour, then a 1 hour anyway, but it's good to have everything here for me. So if I'm on a 5 minute, my red boxes is my 1 hour imbalance level. My white boxes are my 15 minute imbalance levels. So it's like I can just easily stay on a 5 minute. I don't have to worry about keep drawing stuff, keep going on this time frame to figure things out. So it just makes things super simple for me. And then I feel like if you are a newbie and you're looking into heavy price action and structure, you can learn a lot from this indicator because it has a lot of cool features in here that there's a lot of cool features in here, but this is what I care for. And I've been doing a lot of homework with understanding every feature they have, and it's pretty cool. Yes, I did pass, Joker. I am fully funded. Fortunately, I am down on my fully funded live account. I'll even show you that it's live. Mike is another example too. Mike can definitely prove to you guys, but shout out to 120. If you guys want to use a discount code, make sure you use a discount code. But you guys see this is a Nova funding right here. I am fully funded. It is a live account. Like I said, I am down, unfortunately, because I got into a trade that I shouldn't have got into at the time that I got into it. But I am still funded. Also, I am working on, I have like 3 funded challenges going right now with Osprey and Funder Pro 2. So working on that right now as we speak.
Oh, Yandel checking out that Euro British Pound. Yeah, there you go, getting them sales, man.
You trade that Euro pound?
Yeah, I love it, man. It's so like, it's so clean.
Let me ask you though, what would you prefer as far as Forex pair? What would be the go-to Forex pair if you only had to choose one?
That'd be tough, because then you gotta consider volatility and stuff too. But I mainly, that's tough. I would have to say I've been rocking with British Pound USD. So
glad to hear that, man. Welcome. That's where I'm at. GU. If it was on, that's where I had to. That's kind of how I made my my sacrifice, guys, with Forex. I had to tell myself, if I was to trade a Forex pair, what Forex pair would it be? Either be GU or GJ. Because those are the most volatile pairs, in my opinion, for Forex. I know there's a lot more out there, but I just feel like for me, the way I like to trade and how I like to trade, GU is a monster. It's smooth, slow, but fast. And it gets straight to the point.
Well, GU would be more of a New York session, right? Or GJ is more Asian, London.
Definitely GJ is more Asian in London for sure. Well, I would definitely say Asian session. I'm not sure with London. I haven't really looked into London session. But remember, I used to trade
GU on like the London breakouts.
Yeah, me too. I used to trade GU faithfully, and this was actually before my son was going to school. Like I was London session. I was killing it. Actually, truthfully speaking, bro, I've been trading London session probably for like the past 3 years straight. Like, you know, then my lifestyle changed, so I had to get accustomed to New York session. And yeah, I guess New York is where it's at for me now. But I still love London session, man. I was making bread during London session, especially with gold. I had a whole strategy figured out. I was up at 3 a.m. 3 a.m. When 3 a.m. hit, I was ready to get into the gold setup.
May have to get this EA running the London session for gold then.
Yeah, mine's is running right now.
Yeah, I about to say it won't hurt to do it. You definitely will make some money on it. For sure.
Wait, Mike, you said you going to get the EA going for what? Gold for Asian session?
No. You said you were killing it in the London session trading gold.
Yeah.
So I said set the EA up so that it runs instead of 24 hours, let it run just like London and New York, tearing off during Asian.
I'm actually doing a test right now. I actually do have mine running 24 hours because I'm just trying to figure something out. Trying to see what makes sense. 120. Like,
so what pairs you trading for the EA?
I have GU, I have US30. I have my typical pairs. Euro USD 2 in there too. I got all that.
All right, I got a question for you, Mr. 120, and anybody else that uses EAs. We're talking about setting your stop losses and stuff like that. I mean, this is the first EA I've ever used, so I don't know if this would be a dumb question, but normally when we set stop losses, you kind of pick a low, an actual part on the charts. But whenever you're doing like a generic kind of stop loss, I mean, how do you figure out how many pips you want that to be?
I generally go off the pair. So like GU, right? Like you said, my personal experience from trading GU, I always give myself space of like 30, a max of like 30 pips, no more than that. If I'm talking GU, only because I know GU, so I know if my trade is wrong, I know 30 pips will let me know, all right, you wrong, scratch the trade. So with the automation side of things, I will probably do 30, 35 as far as the stop loss. And then, yeah, just every like pair just treat it different, as far as like stop loss, like you asked.
Okay. Makes sense.
Yeah, because I know US30 is way different. Like some people set stop losses like 50 points. And I'm like, no, I don't know, man. You might have to give it a little more breathing room. So gold is very different as well. So all of them are different for our stop loss.
Yeah, definitely gold is different, man. I'm still trying to figure it out now, so.
It's funny because I don't even mainly trade gold. I know not to mainly trade gold. I'll put the software on and let it do its thing. But, man, I ain't messing with gold.
Yeah. Remember, guys, in the next 45 minutes or so, we have PMI news. Yo, 120. So what you think about working with what's his face we just met?
Oh, man, I love him, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, he a vibe for sure, man.
Definitely. Yo, Sway TV, jump on the stream, man. What's up? We miss you. You took a 5-month break. Yes, you did, because I'm just now realizing I haven't heard from you in a minute. Hope things been good. Man, breaks is needed in trading, man. This is a mental game, guys. It's not nothing but a mental game. I got a real question for everyone here. Do you guys consider retail traders gamblers? If so, why? Or why not? I'm gonna answer mine. I feel like gambling, if you don't know what you're getting yourself into as far as setting proper risk, setting proper tolerance on your risk, and not having a plan, you are definitely gambling. That's for sure. What y'all think? Yeah, I was listening to that. I was like, I don't know, man. Like retail traders are technically gamblers, but I don't really believe that.
Now I don't believe that neither, unless you don't know what the hell you're doing. I honestly get offended. I told a lot of people that before, man. When people meet me and they tell me, when I tell them what I do for a living, they say like, "Oh, that's." I get very offended with that. Now I'm sorry if you get offended by me getting offended, but it's just what it is. Because I think it's a slap in the face when you say that to, if somebody's taking that serious as a career, right? It's not gambling, right? Because if it was gambling, I don't think it's gambling. I think it's a game of probability. That's strictly what it is. So that's why I educate people. I say, hey, it ain't gambling. You gotta be educated first, and then second, it's a game of probability. Hey, what's the probability of the price breaking this and going here? So that's just my personal thoughts.
Yo, 120, I'm gonna need you back in the building, bro. We're gonna have to do a reaction to that video. It's a podcast.
Oh, that'd be dope. Have a reaction video.
Yeah, we should do it live too. I got the live stuff going too. Let's do it, bro. This week.
I'm down.
Let me know when you free.
Yeah, man, that don't make no sense, man. I love when people say that to me.
That's crazy.
It's probability. If you understand, you understand. If you don't, you don't.
Hey, that's facts though.
Yeah, I like the way you put that probability, because my answer would have been, I think there's a hint of gambling in it. Obviously, if you have no strategy and you just kind of like throw a trade up there for no reason, that's 100% gambling. But even, and I like the way you use the word probability, because you could have the greatest strategy in the world and you look at it and then how many times you think, again, here we go, the thinking part, it's going to go a certain way, and all of a sudden it goes the opposite. It's totally against your strategy and everything. So it's a little bit of a gambling, because you just never know what the market's going to do, but you kind of counteract that with your strategy and the probabilities and past things that have happened and that kind of stuff. So, but yeah, and it's kind of funny when I said when you think, and Solo always says, trade what you see, not what you think. So
exactly.
Oh, it's facts.
Yeah, you're right. If you don't know what you're doing, it's definitely gambling, because that's what gambling is. You just hoping that you make money. Think about it. You go to a casino, you don't know what the machine's algorithm is for that time that you're going to go ahead and press that button or whatever, move that lever or whatever you're going to do. You know what I'm saying? It's a gamble. That's a gamble for sure. I feel like poker isn't a gamble, because it's a strategy game. It's a probability game. It's basically you trying to figure things out. And that's how I feel. Like card games, that's why I'd rather play card games if I'm at a casino than just do a slot machine, because you don't know what the fuck that slot machine gonna give you. So let's say I have a strategy, right? Going to the slot machine. Let's say my strategy is, all right, guys, I'm going to a casino. I have $100. I'm only going to do 3 slot machines. If the slot machines take 10% of my money, I'm done. If I end up making money or end up not losing anything, I will move on to phase 2, which would be slot machine number 2. You know what I'm saying? Like you could do stuff like that, which still is a gamble thing, because you still don't really know what's going on. But that's why I feel like people say retail trading is a gamble, because they don't know exactly where the market is going. But like 120 said, it's a probability game. You got to just master, all right, did we do this? Did we do this? Using this, using this, using that. Boom, we're good. We're solid. And that's why I always say, for these smart money concept traders out here that's super tapped into that, or, caught into that, I always say, you don't trade with the banks until the day I actually see you working at a bank, trading with the actual bank. Then you can holler at me. Until then, nobody's trading with the banks. We are getting leftovers. That's what I like to call it. We are getting leftovers. But like I said, you can be the shrimp in the ocean. No big sharks will never see you, but you made it all the way from A to Z. You made it all the way to the finish line without getting eaten up by the fishes, the sharks, or whoever else is in the ocean. You just got to know how to play that game. You got to know how to be smart about it.
And another reason why trading isn't gambling is because think about it like this too. If you knew that trade wasn't gonna go down, like you said, the probability of your analysis, whatever the case may be, right? In the first place, you would never place the order, place the sell, because if it is a quote unquote, right, bet, right, you wouldn't in the first place that bet because you wasn't probably confident, whatever the case may be. So that's another reason why what we do for a living couldn't really be fully considered all gambling because of that reason too. Because like you said, it's just strategy as well, decision making and things of that nature. You know, all that stuff goes into it as well.
Man, that's a fact. That's a fact.
My strategy for slots is to see someone sit there for an hour losing, and then go play it as soon as they leave.
Wow.
And hopefully it'll hit because it's due.
That's crazy.
I thought you was about to say you sit there watching them lose and learning from they losses or something. I'm about to say you a cold-blooded man. You
Hey, facts.
Well, they say when you're playing slot machines, it'll lose a bunch, before it finally hits. So let the other person lose it, and then when they leave, of course, my strategy's never worked, but that's kind of like how it plays out in my head.
No, that's crazy.
I went to casino one time. I think this was like 2 months ago, last month, something like that.
Did you win?
It's funny because it's funny that you asked that question that you just asked, because I felt the same way going to we went to the what you call it, the river, whatever it is right here, and long story short, we went and I just put like $100. My brother like wanted us to go, so I just went. He ended up doing a table and I was just like looking because it was all new to me, so I'm like, all right, damn, I trade for a living, I invest for a living, but this is totally different and totally new. So I pulled money, but I didn't actually participate in the games because I was just soaking it all in. Like, damn, what's going on?
I was in Vegas a long time ago, many years ago, and that was the first time I ever played craps, and I think I was up like $800 and I quit. And I'm thinking, man, how does this place make money? Look at all this money I just won. Well, I found out the next day when it took it all back and then some. So,
damn.
Yeah.
I think he was playing 21. If that's, I don't know what it's called. I think it's called 21 or something like that.
No, like blackjack, cards.
Blackjack. I'm sorry. Is it blackjack?
Yeah.
21 blackjack.
Blackjack.
That's the only thing I know how to play right now.
Or you heard about the guy that went to Vegas in a $100,000 limousine and came home in a $400,000 Greyhound bus?
What? It's a heck of a story.
It's a joke. He lost all his money and had to take a bus home.
I was about to say that sounds like a traditional story out there. It just happens all the time.
Yeah, I'm about to say I love to hear that story.
He's a high roller until he gets out there, and then all of a sudden he's in a bus coming home.
Nah, that's crazy. So is y'all trading right now, or y'all gonna wait until news hit?
I'm waiting.
For these positions.
I'm waiting to see what happens when the market opens too, but yeah, I'll probably wait for the news.
Yeah, I'm actually waiting on 8:30. See what US30 wants to do. Guys, we've been breaking structure with US30 on a 5-minute time frame. Hopefully y'all can see my watermark 5-minute time frame. And you in a US30 buy? Okay. Trying to catch that pullback, huh?
Well, it looks like there's divergence on the 5-minute on the US30 too. So
there is. Oh, where's my RSI at? Oh, you mother trucker! When did I delete it? Guess I deleted that and didn't realize. Yeah, you right, Mike. I mean, not even a 15-minute, man. We got 15-minute we do, my bad. 15-minute we got a little divergence.
Yeah, 5-minute I have mainly.
Let's see, GU. Hopefully we can get a pullback with GU. I see our volume went up 14% with this. Oh no, sorry. This is not oil. I was thinking this was oil. I am looking on GU to drop, but I need this pullback, especially to this 15-minute imbalance right here. We did hit this 1 hour imbalance here. I did notice that right here. We did hit that 1 hour imbalance, and I guess that's when it just dropped. But damn, that low key was an entry for me. I didn't realize that. All right, guys. So I'm gonna put an alert right here. This is for a possible sell. I'm gonna just go ahead and put this in a note. And then also, once we hit this level, I'm just not going to immediately sell it. I am going to wait to see what happens. I prefer it to come more inside here, but we will see. But yes, this is ideally my selling point. Would love to sell it to some of these levels down here. US30, kind of up in the air of where I don't know what to expect right now, but we shall see. And then y'all know how I am with oil. I got to see, are we gonna take the highs or the lows out first? Hey, yo, 120, when you free gonna come back to the space to do the do some reactions?
I should be free today. I think later today after I take care of some business, I should be free.
Okay.
Well, I know you got some stuff going on today, so probably busy as hell. But yeah, today, tomorrow, Wednesday, either or.
All right. USD, man, I haven't traded that in forever. That's a classic for me.
I love USD, especially like for beginners. Man, you can beat that thing up all day.
Yeah.
It's like taking candy from a baby with them.
They want to know your strategy. 120. See,
My strategy is just it's simple. Break and retest. That's it. Nothing fancy. I guarantee you guys, if y'all stick with break and retest, no indicators, none of that fancy stuff, you'll be A-okay. I promise you. Break and retest. Never go wrong.
Never go wrong.
Add a little fib. Hey, you can even add a little Fibonacci in there if you want to. You know what I'm saying? I use that too. But another thing too, I was supposed to tell you about this too. When we was on the live stream last time, and I was putting you on about those buy stops and sell stops. Other strategy is this, and I'm putting y'all on game. Ready? So let's say that, like, for example, let me see. I think what GU, right? We pulling back, right? So we pulling back, we pull back, and we had a lower high, right? So on that recent lower high right there, you know how you missed that move right there? All you had to do is put your sell stops below the most recent low, and then it was gonna break the lows anyway.
See what you're saying.
So as we waiting for the retrace to happen, it's going, like, you know how it's indecision making at those retests, and like it's rejecting, you don't know when to get in. don't worry about it. Just go ahead and put a sell stop below the most recent low. So when it does return, getting right in that order, you know, and that's just what happened right now on GU. That's why I love sell stops.
Sell stops is the shit.
Sell stops and buy stops, man.
Now you plug me in game. Hey, what's going on? Let me hold on. Let me fix this.
How's things?
It's good. How about you? How about you?
Oh, I'm gone. I need to turn this down. I'm good, man. Here we go.
Ew.
Where you been at?
I've been mega busy, my man. Mega busy, but it's all been good.
That's good.
How we doing? How's everyone getting on?
What up, Neil?
We chilling, man.
I'm good, man. I'm good. Good to see you guys.
What's going on, Neil?
Oh, hello, Mike. Are you there as well, boy? Hello.
Yeah.
How we doing? Have we got any trades going on?
Not right now, but market just open, so we now looking.
There we go. Yeah. I've just seen.
What's going on with you with Nasdaq?
I made some money on that earlier. I actually bought it when it first opened at London, and then got out quickly with a very little scalp, quick scalp.
That's fire.
Yeah,
you in anything right now?
What's that?
Are you in anything right now?
No. I've just been watching it tank. should have sold it as well. What do we think is the long term view then on NAS? Well, I say long term. Today's view on
I don't know. I haven't even looked at NAS. I'm on this 30 just reversed quick as heck out of nowhere.
You killed a nice. You get a nice oil trade in overnight to do. Well,
got a nice little move in there.
Good.
Crazy was I should have traded that on my funded account, but I didn't even do it. I just did it on my personal. But I'm trying to learn not to touch it. Shout out to 120. It's just trying to let the thing do its thing.
You got some heavy losses a couple of weeks ago, didn't you? I haven't seen you since. Have you recovered?
Yeah, I did. I had it was the it was a couple actually. It was the oil.
Yeah.
30. Yeah, I think it was mainly those two.
It was that day we had Patrick on.
Patrick, yeah. Oh, yeah, and then it was the gold. Well, did the gold go in our favor? The gold went left, and then it kind of went back in our favor.
Yeah. It was not a good day. How about you, Mike?
Yeah, I don't know if you've been getting a plug, bro, but Mike is funded.
Mike M, are you?
Yeah, I was so good at trading. I did it in about 25 minutes.
Oh, what? So what's this? Is this this bot thing you got going on with Mike Washington?
Yes.
What? So tell me more. I need to know more about this because I ain't really been paying any attention to it.
Oh yeah, it was. It's kind of funny because it happened live. I mean, he started it up. And then literally within 25 minutes, I just kept seeing it going up. And like, oh, now we're at 6,000, now we're at 7,000, now we're at 8,000. And then boom, it was done.
Wow.
Funded. Yeah.
Wow, who with?
Nova funding.
Oh, yeah. Because they've got that, they've got that no thingy policy, haven't they, where you can get funded straight away?
Yeah, they have a one step.
Yeah, one step. Well, what happens afterwards then? Do you have any restrictions because it's been passed by a bot?
Well, I think you cannot use. I mean, you can use an EA, which is what I have it hooked up with Mike's EA now, to play it out live, but you can't use the same EA that he used for funding it because it's a high frequency trade type EA. But so now we're using one that it basically uses smart money concepts, so they're fine with that.
Yeah. So how much have you got now, Mike? Are you funded for?
Oh, I just turned it on last night. I got a little bit of a loss on gold last night. I was just kind of testing the waters. But yeah,
what's your account size? I mean,
100,000.
woof, damn.
So there's some wiggle room there.
You're playing with the big boys now, 100
Yeah,
grand.
I'm a little shrimp trying to play with the big boys.
You become a whale now on the flat.
Yeah, Mike going crazy.
But yeah, we'll see. I'm looking forward to it. There's some things you can kind of tweak on the front end here as far as stop losses and lot sizes and stuff like that. But yeah, Mike put it all together.
So we did it all live. So are you gonna do like a big launch thing when you get your first paycheck?
Oh yeah, we'll do an online party.
Big like online thing and see you bank that first paycheck.
Speaking of online parties, looks like US30 is starting to take off.
Holy shit, it is.
Speaking
Yes,
of online parties.
it is taking off. I'm looking on it to come to this 1 hour imbalance. Damn, I hate when it just takes off on me, bro. Let me see.
I'm still nervous though, Solo, about the news in 25 minutes.
I am too, man. That's every
wanna
time I
jump
get
in,
into
but
a
I'm, like,
trade,
very-
it will go like that. I'm like, yep, that's it. So I'm gonna be cautious because I'm on a 2-minute time frame with US30 right now, and y'all know what that means.
What we got PMI this after in 25 minutes, yeah. Damn.
Yeah.
And the Fed Chair Powell's speaking.
Yeah, exactly. So there's a lot going on today, which makes it kind of, you know what I'm saying? Because it can go either way right now. I'm about to drop the link, by the way, guys. I feel like I had it in my, hold on. Let me see something. Once again, where's the link? I sworn I had it here. Where is it at?
Can I ask a question to your viewers?
Of course.
I'm just kind of curious because I'm kind of this way. How many people think that they have to trade every day? Like if you didn't trade today, you feel like you didn't work.
That's like addiction stuff, isn't it? Do you get palpitations when you don't trade?
Oh, I know. I mean, sometimes that if I don't trade for the day, I'm just like, oh my god, I took a day off of work, or called in sick,
Yeah, I've called in sick. I'm terrible. My missus gets so angry with me because even when I'm not trading, I still check the charts.
It is an addiction.
It definitely is an addiction. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Like I'll be checking the charts every day. Not even gonna lie to y'all. I don't necessarily trade every day, but I do check the charts every day.
Yeah, that's it. Even when I'm not trading, I'm still checking. And I get up. The first thing I do in the morning is check the charts.
That's crazy. That's the first thing I do too.
Literally.
I literally get up, check. I have a bunch of notifications going on, but other than that, I just check that and I just be like, oh look, okay.
I had to start putting my phone onto nighttime mode because it was that bad. I was getting notifications in the night. It'd wake me up and I'd check it.
I feel like regardless if you make money or not, you check the charts every day. Unless you really like had a really successful trading week where you probably made 3 times, you know what I'm saying? Like, let's say you made like 100K in a week. Ain't no reason for you to even check the charts until the next month, 2 months, 3 months, shit, maybe not even the whole year. It just depends on what you're cool with.
Yeah.
So that is facts though. But I honestly, I gotta check the charts. It's just a natural habit, man.
It's not a natural habit. It's an addiction.
Hey, Solo, it's going to be worse for us with this EA now because I'm going to be constantly looking at this. What did EA do now? Did it trade yet? What did it do now? What's happening?
Nah, that's facts. That's facts. You said NASDAQ took off? I bet. I'm just iffy right now with news, y'all. It's the only thing that's pushing me back right now. I just want to clean. I honestly want the most cleanest setup ever, man. That's really what I do want. I just want a super clean, simple setup.
Yeah, damn, NAS really did take off.
Usually if NAS does something, US30 is not too far behind.
Yeah, right.
So we'll see. Man, NAS is just like...
Yeah, pumping.
Did somebody slip them some news
Yo,
ahead of
look at
time or
this.
something? Jeez.
This is like market manipulation or something. It's just a big buy, that isn't it?
Y'all should look at gold real quick and look at the 2 minute. Look how crazy that spike was. Like, that's what I'm talking about. Them spikes, man.
Yeah. Especially a 2 minute.
God damn, Nasdaq just took off.
I suppose it is a new month. You know, September's always bad for it, isn't it? And you know, all that kind of stuff. October, I was expecting NAS to fly a little bit, but not that much, that quick.
Yeah. My question is, yo, 120. Do you do buy stops, sell stops with Nasdaq?
Like on this opportunity, like it's a lower high coming up. So anybody that want to take a buy stop, I would place it at the most recent lower high on the NAS right now. It hasn't broke it yet. I'm looking at the 1 hour though.
I was gonna say your time frame.
Yeah, I'm looking at a reason why the NAS just took off because it's a nice little break and retest.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's at a 50% fib retracement, so that's why it bounced like that.
Yeah. Definitely.
So like right there, though, recent highs right there is about to take them out. Boom.
Yeah, 14.7
right into the. Yep, you can slide right into that buy stop, get it quick in and out, scalp, and be good.
Yeah. Yeah, could have. Yeah, that 14.700 is a really major piece, major of a support. It was back in June. It was resistance in May.
Broke below it, gave us a nice little inverted head and shoulders. Now it's trying to break above it.
I see a lot of people using psychological levels. Do you guys do that at all?
Yeah.
Yes, please do that. Please, yes. You need to. You have to.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got to, man. Because that's like I always you know how people wait for confirmations of the candlestick to close. I not only use that, but I also use round numbers because people talk about it, but that's the truth. If the banks, they try to position themselves around those levels for real, so it will benefit you.
Yeah, definitely. Especially all those bots out there, they use round numbers, don't they? They don't like point this, that, and the other.
Right.
Yeah, because Neil, you brought up that 14,700, and yeah, you're right. That's a pretty good level.
Yeah, it's massive, and then 15,000 is now the next big major resistance. But it won't go there today. But
yeah, I gotta really get into these buy stops. I've been talking about it, but haven't really got the time to, I guess, figure things out. So I got a question for you, Mike. 120, I mean. So let's play this game real quick. Let's say that I wanted to, let's say this is my range right here, right? Matter of fact, it's gonna be a delay, so I know that. Let's just do this. Let's say I have a impulsive trend, right? And then I wait for it to pull back into the 50% mark. That's where you will put your buy stops in those levels, or you will wait for it to come to the 50% mark, and then you put a buy stop once it takes like an internal high or something like that.
It's funny because like you got your impulsive, you got your retracement. So let's say on that retracement, the thing is about retracements, we don't know when it's gonna
exactly
pop bullish. So we could put more than one buy stop. So how I used to do it is that I would scale in with the buy stops. I will put one, let's say it came all the way down to a 78.60. I'm getting more excited because I know that I could put a buy stop at the 61.80, the 50, and the 38.20. Because when it does pop bullish, it's gonna bring me all into 3 orders. You see what I'm saying? So I don't have to be there manually. It's gonna execute my trades automatically. So to answer your question, I would place more than one buy stop if the trend is where the retracement is further down, like it's deeper. I love when it's a deeper retracement within the fibs because I can place my buy stops along the fibs like 61, 80, 50, and 38.
Yeah.
I try to place them around those, so when the market does return, I'm already in that order.
That makes sense. I get it. Definitely have to try that out with how I look at it too. But I get it.
We're talking about buy limits though, aren't we? Not buy stops.
Yeah, buy stops and sell stops only.
Buy limits, because buy stops is when it goes to a level and you're lower or higher depending on which way you're going.
Yeah, and then it enters. That I prefer stop. Well, it seems like I would prefer stops than limit orders, because I'm not a big fan of limit orders because of the fact, let's say I am in a trade or I'm looking to get in a trade like this trend right here, and let's say this is my imbalance and I put a limit order. It's technically, because I look at price action to actually enter, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So I would need to wait for like a power move candle, like a engulfing bullish or bearish candle to tell me, and that's when I'd be like, all right, buy stop right here, boom.
Yeah.
I can't do the limit orders, for at least the way I trade. It just doesn't make any type of sense, honestly.
Like catching a falling knife.
Yeah, basically. I ain't gonna lie, I wish my broker was on TradingView. I can just hit buy right now.
Yeah.
I actually use 2 brokers with TradingView, Onda and Forex.com. Forex.com suck though.
Forex.com, they be, man, them fees.
No, I mean I like them. Don't get me wrong, but I mean because I use them only so I can trade on TradingView. But like they, like the processing time and all that, like they very slow, man.
Yeah. We are taking the lows out. We got PMI and what, y'all, about 15 more minutes?
Yep.
It's crazy. NASDAQ did all the moving, but no, US30 is still chilling.
Yeah, US30 looks like it's hanging around at demand level.
GU ain't pulled back into my area yet. I forgot I got an alert on there. I don't need to keep watching that. Oil is breaking the lows, so that's good to know. Possibly start looking for some buys. Maybe.
What platform are you on there, E? Are you on TradingView or?
Yeah, this TradingView.
Is it? Looks.
He's using the Lux Algo indicator now.
Oh,
that's probably what you're saying. Yeah. That's probably what you're saying. Yep. Oh, yeah. And then of course my layout colors is just darker now. I got a bunch of layouts. So. But
is that the free Lux Algo? It's got that.
Nah, this is the premium one.
Oh, nice. Oh, is that the nice?
Yeah.
So it does look different. It looks nicer.
Yeah. I don't know. I haven't really used the free version, honestly. So we just took out that OB. Yes, I am using Osprey. Oh. Yo, 120, how the site coming? For what we got coming along?
Actually gotta hit them up to see what's the update on that.
Look fire, man. Can you send me that video that you showed me earlier?
Yeah, I sent it to your Discord.
Yeah, that look fire. Fast withdrawals with iSpring, I have no problem with that, Of course, it's easy to deposit the money to the broker, but it's always the possibility of not getting your money out the broker, or at least it takes forever to get it out with the broker. That's the biggest thing for me when it comes to brokers. How fast is it when you get your money out?
Uh.
I had put up a poll and I had asked y'all, do y'all prefer funded accounts and personal accounts? It's usually always 50-50, but funded, like getting an actual funded account is probably top number one right now. I mean, it's always up by like 2-3% more. And I always find that interesting because when I ask people, it's always a 50-50, but I would assume what's been happening, y'all would go more personal, but everybody like that we still good, we still making money. And I feel you guys. As long as the company's still there, do what you gotta do. Yeah, I ain't got none with Hango Trade too. Yeah, I love Hango Trade because they do have raw spreads, like, you know, pretty good with the spreads. But yeah, there's just a lot of brokers out there that take a little longer time than usual.
Sway markets too.
I haven't used sway markets yet, but it'd be funny. There was one time I did a withdrawal with Osprey, and literally in an hour I hit my account. It was like crypto deposit accepted. I was like, damn, that was quick. So yeah, that matters a lot, y'all. It matters a lot.
When did you get the neon sign, the back? It's good.
Oh shit, I almost forgot it. What sign we talking? Yeah, I got that from Amazon.
Yes, boss.
Appreciate it. Got a little quick little sign made. Trying to get that 120 picture that he got.
We can trade if you want to. What's up? I don't mind the glow in the dark, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Rather keep you tuned out. Stick with flat drink sip instead of fizzled out route.
I need to go no way. I'm so used to this song. I'm bright. Oil looks like it's dropping to these fib levels. I always say, man, never put your eggs in one basket. That's why I don't ever trade with one broker, man. I never do. Never do. I learned that a long time ago. Never put your eggs in one basket. I have Osprey, I have Hanko Trade. I went ahead and got what's the other broker I just signed up with? There's another broker I even signed up with to put my money in there and start trading. I always got to put my money everywhere. Can't keep it in one spot. Even hell, for those that know, like I said, I'm investing to stocks too. I have investments in my Robinhood account. Speaking of that, let me check where we at. Robinhood account. I also have investments in my M1 finance account. Really just those two. I had it in Vanguard, but I took it out. I found that was just pointless to me. So you always should put your money, you should just spread your money out. Never put it in one basket.
Hey, so that time you lost that, I don't know, what was $7,000 or something like that because of the
man.
Was that through the broker or was that through your wallet?
That was through my wallet with Coinbase.
Oh, okay.
Like I told you, I still owe them $7,000 now.
What?
Yeah. I got my money back, but I still owe them. So I've been back and forth with whoever, but they no help. One lady was like, yeah, we'll get back in contact with you in a couple weeks. Never heard nothing back from them. Called, well, you got to message them and then call them and then whatever. It was like, we didn't get any notes. There's no notes in here that said you talk. I'm like, all right, y'all about to piss me off.
So they want you to give them $7,000?
But it was the most pettiest move ever, man. Like, with Coinbase, I guess they had this feature where, I don't know if they still have it. I'm pretty sure they do. It's like, save wallets. And there was a wallet that I guess was saved, but I never selected that wallet to actually transfer money over to trade. And Coinbase wants my $7,000 back because I had to contact my bank. But it was just weird, man. And then I can't remember what it was, but it's just a runaround that I'm getting with them right now. Like, I spoke to one agent, they be in a whole different country. She was like, yeah, this had happened before with a couple other people, blah, 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 this and that. And I'm like, okay, well, why you asking for money back? Hello, well, due to our systems, it does this, but I'll put in a note, and then I contact them again. Oh, in our notes, we don't see anything about that. I'm like, okay, so what do we do? Well, give me a couple weeks. Let me run it by the whatever team. Never heard back from them. So I don't know what's going on. Honestly.
So are you not able to use them until they get their money back? Or is it
I don't even care to
like,
use them no more. I mean, honestly, man, Mike, their transfer fees is overly priced. I've been hearing so many stories about them. People, obviously, I don't know if you knew what happened with Coinbase a while back, where they got hacked and everyone's money was gone the next day. Also, something else is going on with them, where I heard they're filing for bankruptcy, and I see why. And there's something else is going on with them with the regulation system or something like that. I can't remember. But honestly, I just said, forget y'all. Coinbase is too expensive. It's too much. Y'all too pricey. It's just over the top. So I went with Binance, and then Binance had this regulation thing for the USA where they same thing what happened in my Forex funds. They did with Binance where they for at least in the US side where they I guess they put a hold on all on Binance bank accounts in the US. So everybody that was trying to get withdrawals couldn't. We had to wait like an additional week, and I was one of them. And I was like, all right, so now I'm with crypto. So we will see how this one goes. But so far, crypto's been genuine. I'm still cool with Binance. Binance and crypto are the only ones I'll use. And of course, Coinbase. If I'm honestly Coinbase, but you can't. There's so much you can withdraw from. Not Coinbase, from Cash App. But other than that, like it's mainly crypto and Binance. It's just US sucks. We got so many regulations.
Yeah.
Well, I need to move over there, Neil.
It's not much better for regulation. But, yeah.
I might need to just move to South Africa or something.
Yeah.
Regulations over there is nice. They ain't really got no regulations. So I can be rich over there.
That's the crazy thing. At any moment, some of these things can get their assets frozen, and then you're stuck.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right, I've got to go to the school run anyway. That time of day, I'm afraid. So it was short and sweet. But if you're on again tomorrow, I'll catch up with you tomorrow.
Yes, sir. We'll be on tomorrow.
You're not gonna wait. You're not gonna wait for the news.
Or I might end up. Well, I could leave my kid in the playground for a bit, couldn't I?
No, don't do that, Neil.
No, you definitely can't do that.
I got it.
Wifey will get you, Neil.
Yeah.
I gotta go, man. No, I'll catch you early tomorrow. Yeah, the proper time. I'll get on.
Yes, sir.
Have a good one
tomorrow.
Yeah, take care, guys. Take care.
All right, USOIL did pull to the field point. Curious to see what this PMI news is going to do. I love oil because PMI news, fast speaking, oil's chilling. Legitimately, oil's chilling. This is the most calm pair ever, or commodity asset ever.
So Sola, did you know with Funder Pro, I just found this out, I told Mike about it, you have to be out of, like, all of your trades have to be closed like 2 minutes before news hits.
Wait.
I thought the rule was you couldn't trade 2 minutes before or 2 minutes after, but they're saying all of your positions have to be closed before news hits. So I'm thinking, if you're a swing trader, how's that going to work?
Send me that link, because last time I checked, hell, I was told something different actually by the Thunder Pro team.
I found this out on their Discord. Everyone was complaining. It was like, are you kidding me? I'll send you their terms. It's in their terms of service.
That's crazy. I was told different information. Damn. Okay.
Because I was thinking, if I had a trade open from 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock in the morning, and the news hits at 9, no big deal because I already had it, running. But according to them, everything has to be closed. So I'm like, damn.
That's crazy. I was gonna say something. What I was gonna say? I completely forgot when mine went blank. All right, guys. So keep y'all in the loop. Internal low, internal high. Let's see at foreign first. Once we get that, that's where we could get that move to go up, because I see this as a liquidity phase with US oil.
I just messaged it to you through Discord. So whenever you get some time, check that out.
All right.
Yeah, like these sales about to play out, y'all, on the euro, British pound. Patiently waiting.
Euro British pound. I forgot. That's something I don't trade.
Oh, there you go. Let me know y'all. Let me know if y'all get in these sales.
All right. Let's see what PMI is about to do.
There you go.
I always trade ECN. Them the best ones. Yo, this site is looking so fire, bro. So basic, straight to the point.
The 30's taking off too a little bit.
Okay, so GU's now going right back up. Yo. Yo, I'm weak. Look at this. Yo, shout out to 120, man. You going crazy, bro. I swear to God, it was just this US30 trader just took with the EA. 11K on US30.
Jeez. You know what? Damn.
Stop fucking playing, bro.
I swear to gosh, look.
Wait, shut us live. Stop playing, bro.
No, this is with the Osprey. This is with Osprey. It didn't do it on my it didn't do it on my I don't know why it didn't do it on my other one. Oh, you motherfucker. I forgot to turn it on my I forgot to turn it on the other one. But yo, it just took.
You gotta screenshot that and send it to me, man.
That's crazy. I was like, how my account? Boom, pass. All right, y'all, we passed.
Here, I don't have mine turned on.
Damn, I gotta turn my zone on. Fucking shit. Hold on, y'all. I gotta turn this on. Hold on.
That's crazy, bro.
I did not turn it on my other one.
I don't have US30
120
set up with mine yet, so I gotta still do that. Damn.
Shout out to fucking 120. Damn. Hold on, y'all.
And you said what account was that?
That's the so you remember with Thunder Pro, you remember I'm doing that trail MT4 to copy into my MT5 with Osprey?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's that.
Ooh. Put numbers in.
What the hell, bro? That's crazy.
All right, let's rewind 5 minutes so I can turn mine on.
No, mine's not even.
Man, I'll be wishing that.
Wow,
like,
legitimately, it called out the trade on Well, it has the sell. It has the buy signal on my other broker, but it didn't trade it because it was off.
Damn.
That is crazy. Stop loss 1.5. Shit, I would have made a bet.
Yeah, definitely send me that screenshot. I need that. I need to see that 11K. That thing look nice, bro.
Wait, what do? You just hit allow live trading, right?
Yeah.
Hey, what happens if I exit out of MT? What happens if I exit out of it? Can I come back? Let me see something.
Yeah, it won't mess up anything if you exit out.
Bro,
Well, dang, I
that's
should probably.
crazy. I'm still trying to figure this out. Hold on. I'm gonna send it to you right now, Mike. Or 120.
Hey, we got news again in what, an hour? I wonder if I should turn mine on for a double header. Maybe it'll happen again.
No, it's crazy though, cause I'm like, I'm still trying. So I'm trying to figure this out real quick because, let me see something. So Osprey MT4. I don't know if y'all heard that.
I heard that.
It just got another trade. Chill, bro. Chill. Okay, chill. Hey, hold on. Yeah, it's in another trade. Oh my gosh, bro. Chill. All right, I'm up $800. Oh, that's petty. I closed when it was up $800. It just went down. I need to make this thing chill. Why is it going crazy on this, but it's not doing anything on the other broker? It ain't getting a trade on the other one. Why is that? Can y'all still see me?
Yeah.
All right. Just trying to see what is going on. True trading mode, broker time. But why did it not take a trade on this one? Slippage. Oh, I gotta change that to 60. Boom, it just cashed me out again. No. All right, let me stop this. Cause this is going crazy right now. I don't know why. Lot size. Okay. Is y'all's on right now?
I was gonna say just make sure your because you gotta realize like some of the times are different, like the server times, all that stuff is probably a little different.
So make sure
And
the
then
time
news
is right.
is coming too though, so it probably won't do anything because news is coming. So
That's what I'm saying. But why did it pick up for this one, but it's not picking up for the other one? You saying because I'm looking at everything, it's aligning with the time and stuff, the settings.
you have it already? You just turned it on?
No, apparently I
For the
actually
other
did. I did have it on. During the other time, the other trade called it out. That's weird. Let me see something. It's got to be something with the slippage. That's what it is. It's got to be.
I was gonna say like slippage, and then certain servers and brokers are always different too.
Yeah, it's got to be something with the slippage. I can guarantee you that's probably what it is. Cause you know. Yeah, okay. Cool. All right. No, that's crazy, bro. We did pass that joint. Did I get an email? No.
First phase done. On to the next.
Right? Oh, that's facts though.
Keyshawn, the personal is counted the same.
All right, y'all. Phase 1 pass. Live. Y'all just seen that. Phase 1 pass. About to log in real quick and see if this is accurate.
Hey, Mike, can I ask you a question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I just loaded up on your EA US30, and I loaded the template, and then you know, your settings and things like that. Well, you had take profit at 0, which means there's like no take profit. Was that on? Is that for a reason, or is that just I got to put something?
No,
in
no,
different?
no. Yeah, definitely put something in there. Yeah. I was gonna say like sometimes it don't reflect, so always double check it just to make sure
Okay.
like you did that. Yeah.
Yeah, because it has stop loss at 50, and I was gonna put like 20 for the take profit. I don't know.
Oh, you going crazy,
Well, you
Mike?
said US30 give it a little more breathing room, just a little bit more breathing room, so it don't stop you out so quick.
So stop loss instead of 50.
You could probably even do 100 on the on that
Really?
one because it's different. Yeah, because it's a different point scale.
And then take profit.
You could probably even do like a 1-on-1.
What? 100 100.
No, ain't nothing wrong with that. Like you could do 1-on-1.
Yeah,
like,
you
let's
can
say
definitely
don't
do
hit your stop,
1-on-1.
you just you could trail the stop. But if you're not comfortable with, just do like 100 at take profit, and then take stop loss at what, like 50 or something small.
Okay. Yeah, I'm
That's how I
I'm
generally
still
do it. I don't ever.
taking baby steps here. I'm a little nervous.
Nah, it's all good. I got you.
Nah, you got to, bro. You got to. Definitely just get used to it, understand how it works, and you got to though. But
yes, you can set up the bot. You can set up the risk to rewards.
Oh shit, I gotta do 10. Okay, so I'm trying to show y'all my screen real quick. Y'all give me one quick second while I figure this out. I do apologize. It's about to get super big here. I do apologize. It's getting big right now, but I want y'all to see something. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom it out. Jesus Christ. So y'all see right here, I am like, this is the funded account right here with Osprey. Can y'all see this?
Yeah, we can see it.
Oh shit, we got a legend in the building. Holy shit.
So who I think it is?
I just got starstruck. Shout out to Fabian, the wolf in the building.
What's going on?
This is the first time you've been on the stream, brother. I just realized that.
I don't know. I haven't really seen like when you go live. I'm like, oh shit, I missed it.
Damn, welcome.
Definitely.
This is what's up. This is what's up. All right, guys. So yeah, I gotta figure out that Windows thing. I don't know why I'm taking it down. I'm usually just watch silence. Can you set how much risking per trade? Yeah, you can do all of that. I don't know if anybody answered you. Pretty sure somebody did. You can do all of that. Yes, sir. Wolfgang in the building. Yo, did the PMIs do anything interesting? Let me see.
made you a bunch of money.
That is
yeah,
true.
man. Anybody in them euro pound sales, man? I know y'all love right now.
That is true. I got to trade for 9 more days though.
It's the only thing I don't like about them damn things, man.
Yeah, I know, right?
Get this shit over with.
I got to trade for 9 more
With
days.
FTMO, we used to pass the challenge with the software so damn quick, and then we used to have to do the petty 0.1 days and stuff to count the days. I hate that.
I know, right? You know what? Let me stop it. Let me stop it on this front of the counter or whatever. I don't know what's going on. It's just going crazy. Oh shit! What did just happen? See, why does it do that? Bro, that's weird. It just be taking these crazy lots now. All right, I gotta chill with this, bro. Now it just activated on the live, on the Nova Live.
Ah, okay.
I'm a little nervous. I'm never gonna lie to you.
What trade was taken? What pair?
Gold.
Oh, okay, I don't have.
That's why I'm nervous. That's why I'm nervous.
I don't have my gold turned on.
Oh.
Does it match up with what you looking at on your goal? Like
Yeah, so
you on the hour, right?
the spreads is actually a lot higher with obviously Nova funding than obviously Osprey, because it's the, you know, when you guys trading the challenges, you're basically using a demo server, but it's not that far off though. This motherfucker's just taking trades like it's nothing. So right now it just activated. Let me show you guys how it looks on my side. So this is Nova funding. Can y'all see? Let me see.
Yeah, we can see it now. That's not bad.
That's Nova funding right there.
That was a gold trade.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're in a decent position right now.
It is.
Well, damn, I wonder if I should turn mine on. Is it
And
too late?
then on my other account, this is where it's at. This is the account we already passed, so I shouldn't even be trading no more. I'm gonna get out. Cause before.
Okay.
Yo, 120. I see you.
Hey, you know, everybody eat. Everybody eat.
One thing though I've been doing 120 is moving my stops to break even right away.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. That's one of the things I recommend doing, if anything.
I'll be moving that joint right away. Yeah.
Especially with the indices. A lot of people don't understand that neither. Even when you manually trade the indices, if you're not gonna be in and out, you gotta trail your stops, man, because them things they volatile. You know, they'll put you out quick.
All right, let's look at gold real quick. Let me see why. I mean, yeah, makes sense. Coming to that imbalance. I'm gonna purposely get out this trade just because I'm a little
Take that profit.
skeptical still. I'm still trying to figure this thing out, especially with gold, bro, because this thing's been taking hella gold trades lately. I'm just like, bro, chill.
He loves gold, as you can see. He loves it.
Someone's asking if you can use the bot after passing the challenge. Absolutely.
I was about to say, yeah, that's what they doing. Take photo back.
Well, actually, it might actually. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. It might actually depend on the prop firm too. Just have to check their rules. You know?
Yeah, you definitely do.
Yeah, if they allow EAs in general.
Yeah.
Yo, the Wolf, what you looking at?
I'm looking at NAS 100 right now.
I know you. Are you in any positions right now or what?
No, not right now, but I am looking because it just went off of a 4-hour demand. You know, I'm looking for it to kind of pull up more eventually into like this big imbalance around the 15015, roughly around there.
Okay. This joint been moving. Jesus. Yeah, it's been moving.
I wasn't a buy back when it hit a 4-hour demand, back when it was down at 14,507. What I got out of that.
Wait, you brought it at where?
It was last Wednesday
Oh, okay. So you
when it was down in 14,520-ish area, roughly around there.
God damn, boy, you brought it super. Guys, you can get in. Just tap in with Funder Pro. You do get that discount code if you use it. And then, like I said before, guys, we did open up our new boot camp, so you definitely want to make sure you check that out. Which I realize I don't have that on here. Do I not? Let me see.
So, Mike, if I see that green arrow, is that like a buy signal?
Yeah, it's like at that point it's like confirmed. I think it's like a 3 confirmation at that point.
Okay, because I see a green arrow on the candle before what's going on now, but I didn't have the thing running, so it obviously it didn't do anything. But I guess if I see that green arrow come up again, then it'll jump in.
Yep.
Okay, just want to kind of figure out what I'm looking at.
Yeah, I was saying that those like that template you looking at, you can even manually place those trades too. If you see something you like or you see something, you can utilize that template to get yourself into manual trades too.
Well, my goal is to have this thing kind of running in the background, but keeping an eye on it, obviously, and then do manually trading on my Funder Pro account. So have something automatic, something manual, and see what happens.
There you go. Got a little bit of basketball world.
Yeah, man versus AI.
Hey, y'all believe AI is gonna take over the world soon?
Oh, speaking of that, we actually went and saw the movie Creator last night, which is about that whole AI
Creator?
thing. It was really good.
What is that?
This movie called Creator, where like they built these AI like robots and things. It's almost like a modern version of Terminator. But yeah, it was pretty good. I don't want to say anything. Obviously, I don't want to leak any spoilers, but watch the previews, and if it's something you might be interested in, check it out. And I think what else is playing too, I really want to see in the next couple of days, is that one about the GameStop.
Heard about
what's it called? Stupid Money or something about money.
That's coming in theater or like Netflix?
Yeah, in the theater.
Yeah.
It's the whole GameStop story, but it's like a movie.
Yeah, I saw that.
I saw a documentary about it it was either Netflix or Amazon or one of those ones. It was like 3 episodes, and that was good. So I can imagine like how Hollywood movie would be.
I want to see that Creator, and I want to see that. I keep saying Netflix thing. I don't know why I keep saying Netflix thing, but I want to see that. The other one you talking about, the GameStop one.
Yeah, Dumb Money. Yeah, somebody posted it called Dumb Money.
That's fire. Dumb Money. Hey, so far, guys, the poll I have up right here says, what session is your best session? Right now, Asian is 10%. London is 26%. And New York is 64%. Somebody said, Trader J actually said, we are Dumb Money. It's on Netflix. That's what I'm saying. Is it a Netflix thing? That's what I'm like, keep saying is a Netflix. But no, Mike, you're saying it's theater.
There's two different things. There's one, I don't know if it's Netflix, then there was, I don't know if it's still on there, but yeah, you can check that. And then there's an actual movie in the theaters that's completely different, but it's about the same story.
That's interesting.
Yeah, I saw the Netflix one. It was like last year or whatever. Let me see if I can find it on Netflix.
You said people without CFAs or any wait, what? Corporate background can't call themselves smart money. You gotta be specific with the corporate background though. Because you might have a receptionist that works for a corporate company come in here and say, well, I'm considered smart money. Yo, it just got in another trade, bro. Chill. God damn. This motherfucker's going crazy.
Okay. The Netflix one is called Eat the Rich, the GameStop Saga. It's I think it's 3 episodes. And then I guess the movie theater one is called Dumb Money. So, but the Netflix one is more, like I said, like a documentary kind of thing.
Makes sense. Still go. Yes, I'm in a buy for gold, guys. The most riskiest buy ever. Wow, we got the most craziest divergence with gold. I can't even tell you guys how crazy gold is probably going to go up eventually. We came all the way to the, and we have news at 10 a.m., right?
Yeah.
We got one of the biggest news at 10 a.m. So I will not be surprised to see what we can expect. But we have divergence going on. One thing that I really want to see is it take out, not this high, but this is my 15-minute imbalance right here. But I do want to see it come out all the way up to these levels up here and see. What? Damn, okay. Got my, that's why it don't go along the past few days. I hope this is going to go up soon. Yes, gold's been playing everybody lately.
Yeah, I'm a little nervous. I got my US30 EA up and running, so kind of curious of what's going to happen during news.
Hey, we funded with Osprey right now. Just gotta wait 9 trading days. What's the indicator bottom right screen? This is all Lux Ogle, premium version. So like I said before, the reason why I like this, the reason why I like this is because I can literally trade like I don't have to worry about going a different time frame and a different time frame and a different time frame and a different time frame. You know what I'm saying? Which makes this super cool. But I think it's one of the coolest things. You know, it's super simple. It's just part of the indicator. The Wolf of Wall Street made me start trading, man. I love that movie. That movie's so motivational.
Yeah, that was a good one.
Mm-hmm.
I should see if that's on Netflix or something. I'd like to watch that again.
Definitely on Netflix. You might want to try Paramount or something like that. I tried it. I watch that movie all the time.
Wolf of Wall Street?
Yeah. I think it's on Paramount Plus or Prime.
I think I got both of those, so. You know, the guy that co-starred in that movie, what's his name? He had that curly hair. He made like very little money on that movie simply because he wanted to work with that director. And he was like really good.
Really?
I wish I could. Let me see if I can look up his name, unless somebody knows his name that's watching here. Let me
That's
see.
crazy.
Jonah Hill.
What's that?
Jonah Hill.
Yeah, Jonah Hill. Yeah, he made. Let me see if it has how much he made on that movie, because it was hardly anything in their
Yeah, Wolf of
realm
Wall
of
Street is
money.
everywhere. Yeah, we talking about Wolf of Wall Street, right?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, that's everywhere, right? You can stream that anywhere.
How much did Jonah will make on Wall Street? 60 grand.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
What?
He only made 60 grand, and he was like awesome in it. But I think it said he just really wanted to work with was it Martin Scorsese or somebody made that movie? So he said, I'll do it for anything.
I mean, he's been in a lot of movies, but I'm just curious to know if that movie actually even like put him on the map even more. Because he was in the War Dog. I love that movie, right? Is it War Dog?
Oh yeah, that's another one. It's a really good
Man,
one.
that movie was fire. Actually, I need to see that again. I love that movie. It was motivational too. I like seeing movies like that, you know. It's just motivational how they was, and you know, that was based off real events too. It's just motivational though. It was him and I forgot what's the other actor name I forgot the other actor that was on it, but War Dog is fire. Shit, I'm about to probably see that later today. He is super underrated, man. Apparently he lost a lot of weight too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
Like my man
Wasn't he in that one when he was younger?
He played in so many movies.
Something about, let me see which ones he was in.
22 Jump Street.
Oh yeah, everybody knows him
I
from
forgot about
21
that
Jump
one.
Street. Yeah. He's probably that's actually probably what put him on the map for sure. Cause that's actually how I knew about him too. 21 Jump Street.
What about Super Bad?
Damn, he played that too. That's right. Oh
That's
wow.
old.
Yeah, actually, Superbad came out and then 21 came out.
Yeah, that was the one I was thinking of, was Super Bad.
Damn. Yeah, he's a good actor, and he's been playing in a lot of great movies. So, yeah, I forgot about Superbad. I used to love that.
Well, this is funny. He was in The 40-Year-Old Virgin as an eBay customer.
Yeah, he played in a lot of movies. Y'all like The Office?
Yeah.
The TV show?
Yeah, the TV series they had.
Yeah, that's
Shit,
good.
nah, it sucked. I loved it. It was actually pretty funny.
I gotta step away from it. I'll be right back.
All right. This motherfucker just keeps jumping into trades. Golly.
What?
I was gonna say, what time frame you got it set on?
That's a great question. I gotta see.
Cause I say I shouldn't take that many trades.
He's got in like 2 gold trades. I'll get out of that. He said Papa. He's speaking. That's his new name. Papa Jerome for sure. That's my son's middle name.
Jerome.
No, but he is speaking in a little bit. That's kind of why I'm not trying to do nothing too crazy right now. I'm still surprised 30 ain't moving. One day I want to just take a. One day I would love just to enter like a scalper and hold like a swing trader. It's just gonna be super hard for my mental.
I think the only way to really do that and not fold from that is just to take heavy partials every chance you can.
See, that's the thing. I kind of do that, but my problem is, actually, I don't do that. Actually, what I do is I exit, re-enter, exit, re-enter, exit, re-enter.
Yeah.
I think I might need to just trail my stop.
I mean, honestly, that's just, you're just compounding your account. So I mean, there's no real problem with that if you're getting the extra confirmation. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. So I'm saying, like, yeah, that's what I'm like, because you can definitely compound your account, but it'd be hard for me to try to catch a 1 to 9, 1 to 10, or something crazy like that. You know me, 1 to 1, hey, I'm cool with that.
Yeah. There's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with that. I always tell people the RR and success rate is the two biggest things you need to pay attention to.
Yeah.
If your success rate's up there, go ahead and be, 1-to-1 scalper.
That is true.
You'll make a lot more money than a swing trader.
That is true. I don't trade Bitcoin. Not no more. I used to. Yo, Fabe, you remember when Bitcoin, we was trading Elliott Wave faithfully with Bitcoin, and we had we had a whole 1 month winning streak. Or it probably was longer than that, honestly, but I remember that. We was just, I don't know what it was.
It was the cheat code back in the day. That and XRP.
Love from India. I appreciate that. You know what I realized? I realized Forex trading it's always a circle of different countries picking up on it. I remember the States obviously picked up on it, became the thing, right? And I realized South Africa started taking over Forex. And I realized India is now taking over Forex. And I was just scrolling through YouTube, and on my recommendation page, I literally seen a video that says Forex trading Indian trader or whatever. And that video got tons of like engagement. I'm just like, all right, sounds like India's about to be next up. So I've been realizing that. For real. It's crazy. Now the Caribbeans is picking it up. I didn't realize that. Okay. I definitely do know South Africa is a thing in South Africa, because I see a lot of South Africa traders now got YouTube channels, and I mean they've been doing it, but I'm realizing like they're, the next one up, like taking over YouTube algorithm. So what I'm basically saying, 90s were Japan housewives who murdered Forex. Yeah. Pretty much anywhere in Africa, definitely. But I am realizing India is slowly picking up too. I'm realizing that. So shout out to y'all. I know we got a couple students that I actually teach personally too. That's literally in India, so that's pretty cool. I got a question. Who's here? Who here lives in anywhere in Africa? What country? Oh, okay. What country? We got South Africa, Nigeria, Kenya. We got. I want to visit South Africa, and I want to visit Ghana, Egypt. Where everybody's tapped in from? Where y'all located at? Drop y'all location. Where y'all located at? I'm gonna drop mine. Damn, I can't even see. Russia. Okay. Drop y'all locations. Where are y'all tapped in from? Man, that's crazy. I haven't banned people in a while in our streams. I remember we used to have to ban hella people. That was a thing when we first started streaming. I'm gonna keep him on just because he's creating drama that we all like to stick around and watch sometimes. Y'all know how that is. We all love drama, but we never want to be in it.
Hey, I'm back.
Forgot you was here. Everybody drop your location. I'm curious to know where everybody's tapped in from. Man, we worldwide, legitimately. Never heard of your country. I don't even know how to say that. Where y'all from? Where y'all from? Tap in, tap in, tap in. No, you didn't miss anything. I'm just saying, like, as far as the trade, my bot got in something with a buy for gold, but that's it.
So if Powell comes out and says they're not doing anything with the interest rates, I'm assuming that's what he's going to talk about.
The moment his mouth moved, everybody's selling this.
I'm just wondering what that does for the like dollar versus, you know, indices and stuff like that. If he says, "Oh, we're keeping the rates the same," if that's what he's talking about, which, like I said, I assume.
Yeah.
It's gonna swing both ways, probably, no matter what.
Yeah, that's true. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna be in doing the news because I actually do have to end the stream, y'all. Like I said earlier, we got news, Channel 5 news coming to our space today, and I have to be there. So that being said, I am going to be tapping out. However, if you guys want to tap in with everything we got going on, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, join our boot camps, get in tune 120 challenge, get in tune with the funded accounts. And other than that, man, I will see everybody tomorrow at the same time, 7:15 a.m. Everybody take care. Peace. Have a wonderful day. Stay blessed. And yes, sir. Take care, everybody.
Have a good one.
Peace.